addressing the World Bank event making personal how behavioral change can tackle climate change via video message, Modi emphasized that small deeds can make a huge impact and billions of people do them together. Environment, Forest and Climate Change Minister Bhupendra Yadav has stressed the need for collective action to save the planet from the challenges of climate change, pollution and loss of biodiversity, said this while virtually addressing the plenary session of G7 ministers meeting in Sapporo, Japan. In Jammu and Kashmir, the 62-day-long Sri Amarnath Jeet Yatra will commence on the 1st of July this year and culminate on the 31st of August. The Central Bureau of Investigation has issued summons to Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal in the Delhi Excise Policy case. In IPL cricket, Sunrisers Hyderabad defeated Kolkata Knight Riders by 23 runs at Eden Gardens in Kolkata last evening.